everyone, I'm Kristen and I'm a trust-based relational intervention practitioner. Parenting's not easy and mistakes are just a part of it. Whether you snapped at your child in the heat of a moment or maybe you disciplined them in a way that you later regret, mistakes are bound to happen. And here's the thing, it's okay. Mistakes are not the end of the world and you are not expected to be perfect. But when mistakes do happen, you have the opportunity to strengthen the relationship between you and your child if you repair that relationship and you say you're sorry. You see, when you admit that you're wrong and you own up to your mistakes and you say you're sorry, you can strengthen the relationship between you and your child in a way that you wouldn't have been able to if you had done everything perfectly all along. Here's what I mean. So when there's a connection, so you start with you and your kiddo and there's that bond, there's that relationship, but then that mistake happens, that rupture happens. So you lost your cool at the grocery store and you said something hurtful. It happens. And then that repair happens. So you realize you did something wrong. So you tell your kiddo you're sorry and you're sorry that you hurt them. So then when you go back to relationship, you go back to that connection and you go back into relationship, what actually happens is that connection gets stronger. You see, what happens in our bodies and our brains is that dopamine is released, and dopamine gives us joy, and new synaptic connections in the brain are formed. And so that connection between you and your kiddo is stronger. When you go from connection to rupture to repair and then to reconnection, that strengthens you. That's so cool. And actually owning up to your mistakes, doing a rupture and a repair actually is a great teaching moment for your kiddo. You see, you are modeling vulnerability for them. You are showing them that it's normal to make mistakes and that it's also normal to admit your mistakes. You are modeling what a safe and healthy relationship looks like, and you are showing them that they are loved and valued and precious. And when a kid feels safe, when a kid feels like they matter because you took the time to say, I'm sorry that I hurt you, when a kid feels safe, we know that the bond between you and them will strengthen as well. So here's the thing, mistakes are gonna happen and that's okay. Mistakes are not the end of the world. But when a mistake does happen, be sure to take the time to own up to it, to say you're sorry. When a rupture happens, repair that rupture. And what will happen is that you'll end up with an even stronger relationship with your child than it was before. And that's really cool.